Life is about taking chances, and this is one of the things that I wanted to do, but I was so worried about what everyone else would think and what would they say. But you know what? I did it! I'm so excited, and guys, enjoy the video. Peace.
I ain't get it done, that shit was hurting too much. How you get to that? Good, my high world. What's that? What you get, yo? My fucking high world. Yeah. Hey, yo. What you get on? That shit hurt like this, dog. Huh? What is it? I got a repetition of my dad was a barber too. Oh, I trust you. I'm just nervous. That shit was hurting. That's my fucking high world. But there's a cord going over there around? Yeah. I gotta get the little prongs on the job, but that shit was hurting like hell. I just feeling my sweat.
So is it like too late to shave off my head?
You like that, John?
Like the LL mic.
Yeah.
We was talking about that too.
I don't got the mic right now, right? Yeah.
Why are you holding your
You got the
head?
mic all the way up here. Go all the way to his wrist.
World on. That breast shit, that shit hurt worse than up here where my chest is at. That shit was hurt.
That's because you fighting the bone.
That shit was hurt. I said, you know what? I'm quit.
He said, I'll be back.
When you get to do it, bro, it's work. You did it. Let's do all my chest. No, Russ did them too. Russ hard. Russ, you can't even catch that with Russ, man. I don't even try to get in touch with Russ anymore. I quit already. He went to come all the way down North, East, and all this weird stuff. Nobody doing all that. I can call my nephew and get a chat for 20 hours. Anything I want. Only me, because it's my nephew. Right. For real? Yeah. I know that's true, brother.
He said for him to not like him.
Yeah. I know that. Y'all two look alike.
That's probably why he don't like him no more. He
That's my sister.
Show you the one time.
Yeah, we got different dads.
Oh, so do I. Shit up around here. What you think? Shake up around the front. Shake up around the front. Two lines.
Do I need it? I think that you should do 2 lines. One. Yes. Like an hour ago.
Thank you, Broham, but his name is Yahanse, so when you go into the shop, definitely ask for Yahanse. I love my haircut. Thank you, Broham. This is the amount of hair that got cut off. Yeah, it's a lot, but it's here, but it will grow back. Like I said, this is his information. If you're in the Philly area, definitely go check him out. Ask for Yahanse. Guys, I love my haircut, and I'm so excited I did the cut. Thank you, sis. Oh, my gosh. Thank you so much for your love and support. Thank you so much. And, guys, if you want to do something, do it. Take a risk. Why not? Just do it. Enjoy it. Enjoy life. So now I'm like, what's next? I'm so excited about the future. Okay, guys. Peace, and I'll see you in my next video.